welcome to this new Italian tutorial. This is the first one of a series of tutorials about Italian prepositions. So about how you use each of the prepositions that we have. So in total we have 9 prepositions, but 2 of them are basically the same thing. And so there will be these 8 videos, each of them about one preposition. And I have already made a video with tips to learn prepositions, so tips that can help you learn them or improve their use, because they are one of the most difficult things when you learn a new language. And so I hope these new videos will help you really master the Italian prepositions. So the first preposition I'm gonna talk about is di. So first, before beginning, what is important with the prepositions in Italian is thinking about the idea that you want to express and the question that you want to answer, because that's also how we learn them at school, so that each preposition is connected to a precise question that you need to answer. And so starting with the preposition di, so the main idea that it gives is about the characteristics of something. So this is the very general idea. Then the main sub ideas are the main questions that are related to this preposition, so that you answer by using this preposition, are, first of all, possession. What I mean is that if you want to say that something belongs to somebody, what you need to use is di. So if you want to say Paula's book, what you need to say is il libro di Paola. And so it answers the question, whose book, to whom does it belong? And so it expresses the idea of belonging. Then another question that it answers, another sub-ideas that you give for this position, is the material something is made of. For example, if you want to say table made of wood, then you would say il tavolo or un tavolo di legno. And so again, you use di. So as you can see, di can be mostly translated with of in English, but as I said also in the other video, that is not always the case. So you can't always translate one preposition into another. So di is not always of. And so really focus on the idea that you want to give. Another question that you can answer for the use of this preposition is the quality. For example, if you want to say a fabric of good quality, you say un tessuto di buona qualità. Then another sub-idea that you can express through this preposition is the topic. So you can answer the question about what. So for example, if you want to say we talk about politics, you say parliamo di politica. So as you can see in this case, di you translate it with about, or sometimes you can translate it with over, so it's not always of. As last thing, sometimes di is used with expression relating time. So for example, with seasons, if you want to say in winter, in summer, then you need to use this preposition. So for example, if you want to say in summer it is warm, you can say d'estate fa caldo. And so you could also say in estate fa caldo. So you're not obliged to use di, but you can sometimes. So with time, when it's about a season or also about a part of the day. For example, if you want to say in the evening I have dinner early, you can say di sera ceno presto. That is also a possibility. Or in this case, you could also say la sera. But you can use di when it relates to season, to parts of the day, or sometimes even with the day. So if you want to say on Mondays I go swimming, di lunedì vado a nuotare. That's also a possibility. Or you can just say il lunedì and just use the article. And then a very, very last thing, di can also be used if you want to talk about the way something is happening. So to answer the question, in which way? In which manner? And this is often actually related to idioms. Because for example, if you want to say to be in a hurry, you say andare di corsa. So I'm in a hurry is vado di corsa. I've also made a video about the conjugation of andare, so I'm gonna link it if you need to refresh this conjugation. Di can also be used to talk about the way that something is happening. Like di corsa, in my example, is in a hurry. And a very, very last thing for the preposition di is what you use also if you talk about quantity. What I mean is that if you want to say, for example, a kilo of apples, then you say un kilo di mele. So you also need to use di in this case. So of what? You know, when you talk about a quantity, or with stuff like glass, cup, bottle. So if you want to say a bottle of wine, una bottiglia di vino. So also when you talk about the content of something, then you also need to use di. And so this is it about the preposition di. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and you found it helpful. As always, if you have any comments, if you have any questions, please post them. If there's anything you want me to talk about, please let me know. And thank you for watching, and see you guys next tutorial. Ciao, ciao!